Welcome back to KK Autos. Today, we have an exciting review of the 2025 Lexus RX 350, a luxury SUV that perfectly blends performance, elegance, and advanced technology. Lexus has refined this model to offer a more sophisticated driving experience, making it a strong contender in the premium SUV segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 boasts a bold and dynamic design. The signature spindle grille is now more refined, featuring a sleeker mesh pattern that seamlessly integrates with the sharper LED headlights. The daytime running lights have a striking L shape, enhancing its aggressive stance. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly across the sides, creating a streamlined appearance that improves aerodynamics. Lexus offers a variety of stunning color options, from deep metallic shades to vibrant tones that truly make the RX stand out. The rear showcases a modern LED taillight bar that stretches across the entire width, adding a futuristic touch. With available 19-inch and 21-inch alloy wheels, the RX 350 commands attention on the road with a perfect balance of sportiness and elegance. Stepping inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. Lexus has designed the interior with premium materials, including soft leather upholstery, open-pore wood trim, and ambient lighting that sets the mood. The redesigned dashboard features a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus interface, providing seamless access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers all the necessary information at a glance. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, with available heated and ventilated functions for both front and rear passengers. Rear seat space has been optimized, offering ample legroom and reclining options for a first-class experience. A panoramic sunroof adds to the open and airy feel of the cabin, making long drives more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, replacing the previous V6. This new powertrain delivers an impressive 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the RX 350 offers seamless gear shifts and excellent fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive comes standard, while an all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced stability and traction. The suspension has been fine-tuned for a perfect balance between comfort and agility, making it ideal for city commuting and highway cruising alike. Lexus has also equipped the RX with multiple drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor the experience to their preference, whether it's eco-friendly efficiency or sportier performance. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 3.5 Lexus RX 350 remains competitive in the luxury SUV market. The base model starts around $50,000, while higher trims with premium features, including the F-Sport package, can go up to $65,000 or more. Stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for the latest updates in the automotive world.